What's going on, people? My name is Michael. It has been for a long time. It's a pleasure to meet you, and the pleasure is all mine. If you do not know me, I'm that 4'9" legally blind YouTuber that I wish you could have met sooner. But do not worry, I'm not literally blind where I may walk off this tailgate. Even though some of y'all probably do wish that, I just want you to know from the bottom of my heart, I love you too, but you really suck. You really do. Here we are in 2019. I hope everybody had a happy new year. I hope you did what you want to do, because that's what you want to do, so you did it. Yeah. Huh? That made sense. I hope so. Yeah. But then you know you have your good times and then you have your bad times, but it seems like sometimes the good times outweigh the bad times.
All day I'ma finally be everything that I ever dreamed. So let the world try and hold me back. I keep my head up at the stars and hustle until I get there. Yeah, nothing in life, ain't nobody in life. Come on, world, it's gonna steal my shine. Yeah, nothing's gonna steal my shine. So let the world try and hold me.
Yeah. It's like a Rolls Royce, dude.
The Rolls Royce, dude. Oh, he's pulling it out.
Who's that creeping in my window? Pal, nobody now.
We are the world. We are the children. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our lives. It's true, we make a better day. Just you and me. Yeah. We are the world. We are the world.
Stevie Wonder's a musical genius.
You might take a punch or a kick to the face, and that's not even a joke. 2018, partly you was a pain in my... I can't see too good. I got the shakes. You see that? It's empty. Mama, I told that woman. Oh! I thought it was a game. You play with my emotions. Thought it was a game, didn't you? Thought it was a game, didn't you?
Let's go.
Didn't you think it was a game?
Bet. Yo.
Oh, you done, man.
I'm at my prime. Yeah. I'm at my prime. Whoa. Yeah, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Here we come.
Oh, you're good, bro. Oh, you're good. Oh, hey. Alright, good talking to you. 2019 is going to be even crazier. I guarantee it. People are going to have a good time. More people are going to be out of their mind. And everybody's going to cross that line. So, with that being said, I got a little bit of sparring footage for y'all. So take a look. You got time?
No, I'm done.
Go ahead,
Johnny.
You got time? Come on. You still got 2 minutes. Calm down. You said you got me tonight.
They ain't got me tonight.
You do.
Right, say that.
You said that.
I'm done. I'm done.
You ain't done.
You only hit me hard my face on too.
Oh, you ain't done.
Why? Why not?
Because I
Hey,
said
ain't got right now.
it ain't over, boy.
It
It ain't over.
Well, wait, no.
I'm waiting on you.
Oh,
Get some pads on.
You tell me to get you.
Marcus, I'm lonely. Come on. I'm lonely.
No, you not. Ain't gonna laugh.
I'm lonely, bro. I need some help. Come on, boy.
Tell you what get the.
Hurry up, Marcus. Oh, Marcus, 2 minutes. Hurry.
Oh.
Hurry, don't look, boy. Marcus. Yep. Marcus. Come on. Yeah. Don't be picking on my people. Come on.
Yes, I did. I got you.
You did?
Yeah, I did.
You did? They saw it.
No.
Come on, boy. What you about to do? I'm about to take that cornbread. I'm about to take that cornbread. If you don't come on, boy.
Oh, yeah.
You missed.
Oh, no, you did. No, you didn't have it.
You missed. How did you miss? How did you miss? I felt the wind off. How did you miss?
Got you, man.
You missed.
I got you.
Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, punk.
What?
What? What?
Right there, Good day out there.
Yes, boy, dang. Come on. Boy, if you don't come, it's gonna meet your face. Come on.
No, ain't right. Oh, no, you did. Hey, ain't about you tonight. Did you miss? See?
Come on, boy.
See, I got you with.
Do it again.
No, shoot. I'm done. Hey, come here, Dad.
All right, people, so that is the video. I really hope you enjoyed the show, because if you did, join the team in 2019 that is upright, vertical, still breathing with a reason. Like, share, subscribe if you were live. Do what you got to do, and until next time, as always, I love y'all. Stay blessed and stay unashamed. Peace.
No, Greg, he can't come back. Even though you know his number, right?